Hello viewers, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe, like and share my video. Today we are discussing the micro teaching skill of B.Ed third semester in which we are learning the reinforcement skill. You can take the screenshot and write it down in your file. Teaching becomes effective and useful when the students are also active along with teacher. So to make the students active, they should be encouraged. If a teacher does not show any expression at the student response, the student does not show any interest in answering and replying. So thus, reinforcement is the behavior of the teacher which encourages the students and helps them in participating in the lesson development. So skillful management of the reinforcement helps the teacher to promote students' performance. It modifies learners' behavior and desired direction. So there are two types of reinforcement, positive reinforcement and negative reinforcement. Positive reinforcement is a type of any stimulus whose presentation increase the probability of the response to reoccur in future is positive reinforcement, like appreciating students. And negative reinforcement, this helps in weakness or removing the false or undesirable behavior such as demotivation by saying wrong or incorrect. You can take the screenshot and write it down in your copy. The components of the reinforcement skill are positive verbal reinforcement, which is in short denoted as PVR. So use of comments which are positive like good, nice, excellent, splendid, correct, go ahead, fine, well done, fabulous, etc. by teacher to students come under this category. Next component is positive non-verbal reinforcement, that is PNVR. This type of reinforcement is given without speaking or without any word like smiling, nodding head, delighted laugh and petting, etc. Now negative verbal reinforcement NVR, using negative words like stop, wrong, poor, useless by the teacher for the undesired behavior of this. And NVR, that is negative non-verbal reinforcement, when the positive stimulus is taken out and the teacher gives negative stimulus for inappropriate behavior like slapping, nodding head and disappointment, stares head, look away. Now next component is extra verbal clue, EVC. Little help is given in the form of short, so like a starting letter sound like aha, come up, yes, yes, nearer, etc. Repeating and rephrasing. This is used to correct or improve the answer in a manner so that it is audible and clear to everyone. Next component is WPABB, that is writing people's answer on blackboard. Teacher's proximity is included in this component. It is done so that each student can see it and read it. It is helpful for clearing doubt or when pronunciation confuses students, even when the child is not able to imagine the concept. So you can draw this. Now I am showing you the lesson plan for the reinforcement skill. So you can write here the name of student teacher, after that class, then subject, then topic, then date, time period and then duration. In micro teaching skill, 5 to 7 minutes are allotted for one lesson plan. So our objective is to practice the skill of reinforcement. You can put over scholar number, student teacher behavior, then a student behavior and then component uses by. So first question is what is water? We asked to the student that what is water. So student give answer that water is a liquid which we get from our environment to meet our needs. So here we use positive verbal reinforcement by saying good. Next is what is composition of water? So students giving the answer, it is made up of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. So now we are saying the correct using positive verbal reinforcement. Next, what are the sources of water? Student giving answer, we get water from sea, river, etc. We are giving the extra verbal clue by nodding head. So what are the uses of water in our daily life? Drinking, washing, cooking, cleaning, etc. Here we use very good as a positive verbal reinforcement and nodding head as a positive non-verbal. Next, we are asking that what is the importance of water in sustaining life. The student is giving the answer. It helps in digestion of food in both animals and human beings. It helps in maintaining body temperature. It helps in photosynthesis, germination of seeds. Here we are using the extra verbal clue. Carry on. And after the ending of student's behavior, we are using the excellent, that is positive verbal reinforcement, and write it down the answer at blackboard. So we are using the right people's answer on blackboard. Next, what is the percentage of water in human body? 70% of human body is made up of water. Correct. That is positive verbal reinforcement. What are the commercial uses of water? It is used in agriculture and industries. A student is pause and thinking. So we are using extra verbal clue, that is So to produce electricity, it is used in boilers. Superb. That is positive verbal reinforcement. How many types of waters are there? There are two types of water, namely hard water and soft water. Now, what are three states of water? Student is giving answer. Solid, liquid and gas are three states. So write positive verbal reinforcement. By nodding head, we are showing the positive non-verbal reinforcement. So what is potable water? The water which is drink is called potable water. So here we are using the rewriting and rephrasing component, that is teacher refreshes with a smile. The water which is suitable for drinking by human beings is called potable water. In observation table, we are putting the teacher behavior occurrence schedule, that is component, tally marks and frequency. So positive verbal reinforcement uses 8 times. So here we use the tally marks 1, 2, 3, 4 and then slant, that is 5, 6, 7, 8. So frequency is 8 times. Now positive non-verbal reinforcement uses by us 3 times. So we are writing over here 3. Writing people's answer on blackboard using 1 time. So we are writing here 1. Extra verbal clue is using 3 times. So we are writing over here 3. Repeating and rephrasing is used by us here. It is of 1 time only. Now at last, student teacher signature and teacher signature. Hope this video is helpful for you to write in your B8 file. Thank you.